Hello, my friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm here again with yet another video, and this is basically a split strategy. So, everything would remain the same. If you haven't watched my earlier video of number deviation, just watch that video so it will be uh, a better understanding for you. So, basically, what we are doing here is we won't bet on straight up numbers. Instead, we'll be betting on split numbers, and there is more into it. During the play I'll explain you how it goes. So let's start without wasting any time, guys. Alright. And one more thing, guys, because as I cannot wait for 28 to 30 spins here due to the demonstration purpose, so what I'll be doing is, as soon as I get any two standard deviation, I'll start betting on those split numbers. Alright.
2 black even, 1 red odd, 31 black odd, 35 black, 35 black odd. Four black even.
Okay, now let me just enter these numbers. What is 2? Okay, 1. Alright, 31 and 35. Okay, then again 35. See here it has come under this two standard deviation, so I'll highlight here. Okay, after that 4. Alright, guys, so I'm just betting straight away now. Okay, and you'll see here I'm not going to bet on straight up numbers, I'll be betting straight on split numbers. Okay, so as you can see here 35 here, for example, let's say you have waited for 28 to 30 spins and you have got this number 35. So in this split strategy, what you are going to do now is you are going to place bet on 32 and 35. And one more rule is we are supposed to bet to the bottom numbers, guys, not on top of the numbers. Okay, I'll just show you how it goes. So I'll take one chip itself. Okay, I'll place on. So instead, let's say instead if 32 comes out, again we are going to rebet until we hit our two standard deviation numbers. This is the strategy behind this. Okay, I'll explain more to you while playing. Okay, let's start.
24 black.
Okay, 24
even.
has come up. So in that case, what we do now is we again rebet. Again we are going to place the bet.
32.
Okay,
red,
see here,
even.
immediately it
You
has hit
win.
now 32. Okay, but it is a win for us, but at the same time it is not two standard deviation. Okay, so what we are going to do now is we are again going to rebet there until we hit the two standard deviation number. Our main target is that.
4 black
Okay,
even.
4. See here, guys, 4 has entered into two standard deviation now. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to rebet and place. I'm going to place a chip on 4 and 7, the bottom number, not here, 1 and 4. Okay, then again I spin the ball.
31 black.
So number 31 has come up. I think even this has entered two standard deviation. Okay, yeah, here it is. What we are going to do, again rebet, place one chip on here.
27 red odd.
Okay, now here the number 27 has come up. So here, see, the main target here is if our next bit wins from these three numbers, let's say 4, 31 and 35, the session is done. You have to end that session. Okay, 27. Okay, all right, then
19.
spin.
Red.
Okay,
Odd.
number 19 has hit. Very close to 4. Okay, in rebet.
2.
Spin.
Black. Even.
Number 2 has entered 2 standard deviation now. This, especially in RNG, 2 standard deviation, it occurs very frequently, guys. So again, one chip here, 2 and 5. Okay, I'm just going to spin the ball now, because as you see here, 2 has entered into 2 standard deviation.
30.
So we spin
Red.
here.
Even.
Okay, number 30. Okay, number 30 has come. Can I spin?
22. Black.
22.
Even.
All right. Okay, I just double.
9.
Not doing
red.
any calculation over here, guys. Just wanted to show you the demo purpose of this. That's it. Number 9.
Odd. 19. Red.
Number 19.
Odd.
Okay, 19 has entered. I guess it has entered into 2 standard deviation. Okay. I spin.
15. Black.
Okay, number
Odd.
15 now. Can I rebet?
$26.
26.
Black. Even.
All right. And
3.
spin.
Red. Odd.
Number 3. Okay. Spin.
32.
Okay, see
Red.
here, guys.
Even.
We have
You
one here.
win.
Okay. So basically, it has again, I guess 32 was in number 2 standard deviation. No, guys, it hasn't hit. Okay. So we'll now 32 has also entered 2 standard deviation now. Okay. So what we do now is we rebet here. Okay. As I've always already placed a bet here, the main target of this is to win on 2 standard deviation. If again the 32 number hits, then it's the session is closed now.
22. Black.
Okay,
Even.
I think
You
22
win.
was 22. No, I don't think so. Let's check here. Number 22. It has entered. Now it has entered 2 standard deviation. So again we place. Okay, here.
$28. Black.
28.
Even.
All right. And rebet.
35.
Okay,
Black.
I
Odd.
think we have
You
it now.
win.
Okay, guys, as you see here, 35 has won here. So 35, it has given a winnings here. So we are closing this session now. Now hope you have understood this strategy. Just watch this video before. Okay, so you need to play the bottom numbers always. Let's say if 2 has hit, then 5, and let's say if 5 comes out into standard deviation, then 5 and 8 both combining, you have to play the splits. Okay, so this is it, guys. So hope you have understood this split strategy, and just wanted to tell you that I shared a webinar video a week before, and a couple of you have taken action and most of you haven't. So in that case, I told you that I'll be sharing my results also. So I'll just log into my backend office and I'll show you what are my earnings, everything. And one more thing, one of my subscriber, his name is Sakis, again he had some doubts. He asked me that these strategies will work in the long run. To be very frank, you need to gain experience first in roulette. You have to analyze the numbers. So if you cannot analyze the numbers, if your IQ is very weak, then what I suggest you is make a table in Excel and start entering those numbers and have a data of those numbers. According to that, you can play my strategies. But at the same time, you have to be quick enough to switch the strategies in between. Let's say you're playing number deviation and straight up numbers if you're playing. So once you have hit straight up numbers, then next strategy you need to switch to split strategy. If you are playing line strategy or dozen strategy, you have to switch in between that. So this is how you need to do, guys. But experience will teach you, and most probably if you are a newbie or intermediate, if you have lost money in roulette, what I personally suggest you is, if you want to play for just for entertainment purpose. You cannot make money in roulette if you don't have patience, to be very frank. RNG, you cannot overcome it. There are few steps in RNG which you have to do it, because it will start recording your patterns. After that it will play against you. Live roulette, you have to switch the strategies because the timing is very like minimal. It has like 30 seconds or 20 seconds in online live roulette. And what I suggest you is, instead of going into roulette, why not make a primary income which will guarantee you. So I shared a link. I have shared also another webinar also, even that Merlin Holmes, he's a very good coach, and one is John Crestanis. So I'm just logging to my account, guys. I'll just show you how everything works here. So as you can see here, this is my account, the ClickBank account. Okay, so this is my earnings, guys, so far. So I'm pretty much averaging around, as you can see, the sales, gross sales, everything, daily sales snapshots, and my earning is like I'm averaging around like 3K per week. These are weekly payments. So it is a very hands-free income, guys. You don't have to stress yourself, and you have to, like, there is no need of getting into roulette and trying to make money out of it. Or roulette is for those people, as I told you, who have lot of patience, who have gained experience in roulette. People post in YouTube about their winnings, everything, but most of them are just fake. So most of them are just fake, guys, to be very frank. If you play with my strategy, I don't promise you will make like hundreds or 200 or 300 in a session, like 20, 30 units, 50 units, depends upon you. So I have created the strategy, I have gained the experience, I know how to switch the strategy. If you are a newbie, it will be very difficult for you, because the fact is, if I have created this strategy, the strategy will work 99% only for me, because I don't know about you, I don't know about your IQ, how it is. So I don't know what level of experience you have. So in that case, what I suggest you is, instead of going to roulette and just losing your money, what you can do is basically invest in this John Crestanis. See, there are 3 programs here. Okay, so you have a full money back guarantee, guys. So this is what I want to give you. So you have a full money back guarantee here. The total one time payment of this program is 997. I know, of course, this might be little bit the budget is little bit high, but look at here, look at the result here, guys. Look at the result here. It's like, even if you invest 997, it's a weekly payment, so it will be credited to your bank account. So you can make easy money with this. Hands-free income it is. Everything is set up, ads will be running on, so you'll be making your money. You just need to log into your backend office and just check here how many sales you have done for the day. So today so far it is like 261, and by midnight, according to my country, by midnight it will be around, for sure I know that it will cross like 300 bucks. So it is very pretty easy money. And if you aren't happy with this program, because most of my subscribers like Ahmad and Kelly and Dimitris and all, they are averaging around like 4.5 at the beginning, 4.5 grand in the month. So they have also installments. if you're running out of cash. That's why I told you, you take up a loan and just start this program. It is it's an awesome program, guys. You have flexible payments of 3 payments you can do, monthly payments you can do. Here you have one more payment option of 247. It has been split for 4 months. So according to your budget, if you don't have budget, you just spend 247 per month and start this program. um, and as I told you, even if you spend this money, if you're not happy, John Crestani will refund you each and every penny of yours without asking you any doubts or questions. It's a full refund, guys. So there is no like scams over here. You'll get your full refund back if you're not happy with this. But I know that you won't ask for a refund. Definitely you'll make money like how I'm making this money here. So this is it, guys. So I just wanted to share you these details. And if you have any questions, I'll just leave this link below. I will leave the 2 webinars. One is Merlin Holmes and John Crestani's. So I'll again post the link in the description. Just go for this, guys, and make money. That's it. Okay, hope you understood this strategy. So most probably just paper trade it if you don't want to. What I suggest you, if you're a newbie, just paper trade it, guys. That's it. Don't waste your hard-earned money on roulette if you don't know what you're doing. So if you have any doubts, any questions, I'll leave my email address below. You can ask if you have any doubts here. Okay, hope you have understood. Okay, the next strategy I'll post might be column strategy or any other strategy. I'll just post it, guys, in a couple of days. Okay, guys, have a great day. Bye bye, take care.